Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Made it back to Asia. We are here in Tokyo in Japan, and we have landed at the Nippon Seinenkan Hotel, and it is right across from one of the baseball stadiums. So I'm going to give you a quick tour here if you haven't been here before, show you kind of what the hotels are like here in Japan. So let's take a peek. First thing, walk in the door here, but check this out. First thing you see here is open the door, the light comes on, toilet opens up for you. So that's the first thing. The next thing is we're gonna have to study this little area here because we have no idea yet how to do it, but this is good. You can see that's flush, light flush, eco flush, oscillate. So they've got some things built in here. Since this is a hotel and I'm sure they get lots of foreign visitors, that probably is helpful. Toilet paper and all that kind of stuff. So the water closet is by itself. You do have to put your key in to get your power, just like in a lot of hotels abroad. And then here's the other part of the bathroom. Get right in here. You got your hair dryer. You got your amenities here. And also note that it is the same type electrical outlet that we have in the US, but it's 100 volt instead of 110 or 120. And they have more amenities you'll find right here. And look at this cute little tub. I don't know, I guess that you could call that like a soaker tub, right? With the handheld shower right there. So that is the rest of the bathroom. And then we've got, the closet is here. You've got your hangers. Right here you get a little flashlight, I guess if there's a power outage or something. That comes on. Laundry bag, you do get slippers, and wait till you see what else we get. Here, shoe horn and shoe brush, which I don't believe we're going to need. We do have a humidifier for some reason in the room, which we don't need because it is kind of raining a little bit. And then here's our TV. It's a Panasonic, haha. Looks like a good sized TV. They give you a little boom box if you want to listen to some music. And let's see, here's the bed. And note what's on the bed. These are pajamas. And they are included in your room. You get pajamas, which is amazing. And then this is our bed here. And here's all your light switches. I do like that there is a footlight for at night. Look at that. That'll be nice so that you're not gonna run into anything here that first night trying to figure out what in the world you're doing. And then here's a nice little desk area. It's a pretty decent size for the fact that you're in Japan. A lot of the times you'll see the rooms are really small. Got a little table and a chair even. And then I do love that they have a fridge, because I like to pick up, you know, stuff to make coffee. And then there is a safe down here. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Then here, we've got some more fabulous amenities. A little light right here. And this is a hot kettle, which is nice. I will definitely be using that to make my coffee. They have the drip coffees right here, and you can make them here. So I will be using that. And then this nice little gadget that you are not to take, or they will charge you for it. And it is a charger. So it's got all the different plugs on it. So you plug it in, and then it's got all of the different ones here for iPhone, micro, USB, USB-C, all kinds of stuff. So anything you need to charge, basically, you should be able to do that right from there. That's pretty amazing. And then you've got your cups and glasses here. So this is a great little spot. We are directly across the street from the stadium. Let me show you the quick view here. We got a city view room instead of the stadium view room. So I'll leave you with this view. Cute of the city. Looks like we've got a school or some sort down here. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lots more coming from Japan, so get ready for that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a like, ask me any questions and places and things you want me to see while I'm here.